At the Akorda presidential palace, President Kasım-Jomarт Tokаев met with 24 winners of international subject Olympiads, including 4 gold, 11 silver, and 9 bronze medalists. Kazakh school students achieved outstanding results on the world stage in chemistry, mathematics, physics, geography, computer science, and biology. As the head of state noted, these victories not only brought glory to Kazakhstan, but also demonstrated the high level of the country's education system. The president congratulated the young talents and emphasized that their success was the result of the hard work not only of the students themselves, but also of their teachers and parents.
Жастарымыз жаһандық спорт және өнер додаларында жеңімпаз атанып, туымызды көкте.
Our flag is raised high on the world sporting and creative stages in honor of the victories of our young compatriots. The country's prestige in the field of education is also high. Since last year, our school students have taken part in more than 30 international Olympiads and scientific competitions, winning thousands of medals, including nearly 200 gold, over 300 silver, and about 500 bronze. These remarkable achievements reflect the high level of education in our country. We are proud of every winner who has presented Kazakhstan abroad.
Біз әлемдік жарыста ел намысын қорғаған әр жеңімпазды мақтан тұтамыз.
The head of state emphasized the strategic importance of investing in education, noting that human capital is the main driving force behind the country's development. Large-scale programs are being implemented in this area. New format Келешек мектептері are opening across the country's regions, and the status of teachers is being elevated. The president also mentioned the Bolashak International Scholarship Program, under which thousands of young Kazakh citizens have studied at leading universities around the world. Starting next year, winners of international Olympiads will also be eligible to study under this program.
Химиядан халықаралық олимпиаданың 2 дүркін жеңімпазы Астана қаласы.
President Tokayev presented the students with awards and wished them further success. Afterwards, the prize winners were given a tour of the residence.
По-моему, хороший олимпиадник должен быть трудолюбивым.
In my opinion, a good Olympiad participant should be hardworking, dedicated, persistent, and resilient.
И никогда не сдаваться.
In the future, I aspire to contribute to science and will, of course, work towards this goal.